Hey everyone, it's Robert over at Bloomington Acura Subaru. Today I'm going to show you this 2022 Subaru WRX Premium package in Magnetite Gray behind me. I'm also going to show you a couple other ones I got on the side over there. We've got a white and Road Valley blue down on the end. Now, I've seen this car a couple times already. This will be my first video and kind of really sit and taking a seat inside the vehicle. So I'm going to bring you along. We'll do a quick walkthrough on the vehicle as well, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this 2022 WRX. Like I said, I love this color, Magnetite Gray. It's definitely grown on me. I definitely wasn't the biggest fan of this vehicle when it first came out, but I definitely liking it more and more as I kind of sit in it, look around and all that kind of stuff. And this is coming as someone who has a 21 WRX, so I definitely prefer my body style, but this one is really good. So let's go take a look. So let's start in the back of the vehicle. I'm going to just do a quick walk around for you guys on it. Now, like I said, this one here is going to be Magnetite Gray. This is probably one of my favorite colors in this new 2022 WRX. Let me try and get this brightness adjusted here for you. Alrighty. For those of you guys wondering, here's what the back looks like with the little black piece that sticks out on the bumper down there. Now, looking up here, we do have a little release button right there. 60/40 folding split, just like we had in the previous generation WRXs. Now, back here, if I pull this little mat out of the way, no spare tire. Now, this is the front license plate bracket. Most customers request us to not put that in, so that's why this is sitting back here. Then you've got your tire sealant, tire inflator kit down there. I don't know if they're going to offer a spare tire as a option for this vehicle. I'd assume they would. They've got the space, but time will tell from there. Now, going into the back of the vehicle, this one here, like I said, is a WRX Premium. Now, this is the standard model, the standard option 11. Oh, got some wind there. So, standard option 11, this customer just added the STI short throw shifter and the auto dimming exterior mirror. So their price came out to $33,292. Now, in the back of the vehicle, nothing too crazy, very similar to previous generations. However, we do finally get two USBs back here. Now, there are two little buttons that look like they could potentially be for like a heated back seat or something. I'm not sure what these are going to be for, but they may be used for something in the future. We do have the pull down with our two cup holders, and then to fold down the seats themselves, each side has a little pull tab there, so that would drop down. As you can see, I've got the front seat back kind of far, but if that wasn't all the way back, you can see how we would have the 40 and the 60 side for that folding split. Alrighty. Looking up in the roof, no real divots or pockets for headroom, but I can tell you guys, these things have a ton of space in the back. I know it may not look like this, but I can tell you from my experience having a 2021 WRX, this back seat right now, if you're 6'4", you could fit in that driver's seat and still keep someone back here nice and comfortable. Let's check out our door panels. So very similar to the current generation Impreza door panels, we've got this kind of carbon fiber style look up here. We have these nice chrome finishes on the door handle pulls. If we come to the front, you can see once again, you got that carbon fiber styling there. Auto up and down for all four windows. That is brand new to the 22 WRX. Now I'm just gonna take a seat in here for you guys. We do have some plastic on the floor, keep it nice. Now, because this is the Premium, this does have the 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen up here. It does work very well. We've got the cover on just so we don't get any fingerprints on it for the customer. But if you guys can tell, we do have volume controls for driver's side and for the passenger side. You've got your rear mirror and your rear window and your mirror defroster on the right side, and your front windshield defroster on the left, and physical buttons as well for volume, tuning, and your hazard button right there. So I like that they did include physical buttons for the more common buttons that most people like to use. A lot of cars now that are all full touchscreen, you kind of see that's kind of the downfall of them. Now, I really, really like how they did the new air vent. So you can see there's this little kind of part right here. Let me get in on there. So this guy here, if you twist it to the right or left, that's what's going to open and close that vent. And then you can just slide it up, down, left and right. Really, really nice styling. I love how they did this. Once again, more of the carbon fiber style on here. And then steering wheel. So we've got the D-shaped steering wheel right here. Once again, very similar steering wheel as far as button layout to all of the current Subaru lineup. So you've got your cruise control, you've got cruise cancel on the left side here. You've got your radio, so we can change our presets right through here, or if listening to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, music off your phone, next song, previous song, volume up and down, voice command, source, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and your answer, call, decline. And then these little buttons right here, you just click these towards you, and that would change our center display, where you guys can see that little kind of right here. That is going to be a little digital display right there for you guys. Alrighty. Now on the left side, couple buttons. We do have our trunk open, traction control right below it, and then our dimming and brightness dial right there. Your hood release down on the bottom. 3 pedals, because obviously this is going to be the 6-speed manual transmission. This looks like the same shift knob they've had for quite a while. And if we go ahead, push the clutch in. Ooh. For factory short throw, that is really nice. I can tell you the clutch definitely feels a lot softer in this car than my 21, but I actually really like that. It's got a good amount of feel to it, which is nice. Down below, you've got a little 12-volt storage pocket right there, auxiliary, 2 USB ports, and it looks like this pocket is a lot deeper this year, so you can actually put a phone in here and it's not going to be getting in the way of the shifter like it is in the previous VA chassis style WRXs. Now, going farther back, so armrest looks to be about the same as it was before. You can get an armrest extension, so this is fairly low. It is nice when you're driving, but you can get a little armrest extension for that. Really nice cup holders. I like how they did this. And then a little spot to leave a key or some loose change or whatever it may be. In the previous ones, this would have been the DC-CD transmission controller on the STIs. Glove box, good amount of space. We've got owner's manuals in there. And then looking up, different style mirror. This actually reminds me of an older Subaru style mirror, just kind of this style and layout up here. You can get these with the home link, so you can get them with the garage door buttons as well. And then up top, you do have your lights, map and dome lights. You've got some Starlink functions there. Got a little mirror. Hello, everyone. Now, this mirror does not slide out. It is fixed, so you still have a little bit of space on the side. So it does not slide out, just so you guys know. Alrighty. Now, as you move up in trim levels, we can get the kind of that, not leather, but like the Recaro seats and the suede trimmed seating. If you did get the one with the Harman Kardon and the blind spot detection, your blind spot detection would appear on the side over there. But I gotta say, it's very similar to the current generation, yet very different. You know, they still have the window, the mirror still mounted on the door. Your seat position feels very similar, but you definitely have that newer style Subaru infotainment, you know, actual steering wheel controls. You know, that's where you get that newer style there. And I did show you guys, we've got the wheels on this Premium here. And in the gray, you don't really see the black body arc or arch moldings as much. I gotta say, like I told you earlier, this is probably one of my favorite colors for the current generation WRX. Now we got two more over here, so let me just take a quick walk. So here's the same version. All three of these are going to be WRX Premiums. Here is one in white. This is actually my customer, and if you are in the Subaru community, if you're watching this video, you probably are. You may know MAPerformance. Here is their new R&D vehicle. So shout out to those guys, Dalen, Charlie, everyone over there. They purchased their TLX Type S from me and traded that in for this WRX. You guys can get a whole bunch of aftermarket goodies for this new vehicle. So we have the classic white, and then obviously World Rally Blue Pearl, unmistakable. Both of these colors look very nice. I love that they finally have LED headlights and fog lights as a standard feature on these vehicles. And World Rally Blue can never go wrong. It's definitely a good color if you guys don't believe me. Can't zoom in, but the last one right there, there's my 21 World Rally Blue WRX over there. We'll do one more walkthrough on the front. And then let's go back over here. One thing I forgot to show you guys was the engine bay. So let me get the hood popped open real quick, and I'll go ahead and show you inside the 2.4 liter on this 22 WRX. Alrighty, so here is the new, well, I'll say new engine bay for the 22 WRX. Nothing too crazy, different between this one and the previous one. You still have oil filter up top. You still have your oil fill. We've got windshield washer fluid, coolant overflow, brake master, dipstick on the left side of the pulley over there. So nothing too crazy. But I wanted to show you guys, and it is hydraulic. There is no hood prop, which is nice. I always love seeing that. Just makes it a lot easier for us whenever we're working on the cars. Alrighty guys, well I hope you liked that walk around video on this 2022 WRX. I am going to go drive one a little bit later. Once again, thank you to MAPerformance for purchasing that white one from me. I'm going to go take that one for a test drive and give you guys my thoughts, any kind of similarities, differences that I've noticed between the VA and the current chassis. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. For those of you who have been missing Subaru content, I will be making more, I promise. We've actually got the brand new building now, so let me turn this camera around. We've got our brand new facility. I say brand new, it's been up for just over a year, but huge 2-story building. We got service, all that kind of stuff down below. Like the Subaru content, I will be making more. Just let me know down in the comments what you want to see. I plan to do more kind of full video walkthroughs like I did on that MDX Type S Advanced, some of those longer ones. So hope you guys like it. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. You all know what to do, and thank you so much. Bye.